Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ford F-150 Super Crew 4x4, the EcoBoost engine. And that is running smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have a push bar on the front with additional lights and tow hooks. And those LED lights that are on the front of the truck, if any of these LED lights appear to flicker, they don't flicker to the human eye. That's a refresh rate of the camera that does that. See, it does have painted alloy wheels, power sliding rear window as your tow package, spray on Bedliner. Okay, we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See that it does have the sport fabric seats with the track marks down them. And as you look over here, you got a 110 volt outlet, a 12 volt, and 2 USBs. You have your keypad, which I use all the time on my F-150. And then here's your VIN right here, and the last 4 digits are 0096. Alright, and as we look down here, you'll see that it has 30,031 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your trip computer toggles, cruise controls, stereo controls, your push to talk. Over here you got your key fobs. You have 3 key fobs. It's uncommon, but awesome. And then down here you've got your 2 and 4 wheel drive, your trailering all in one place, super convenient. 2 USB ports down here, your shifter, and you've also got your cup holders. You have additional power supply down there along with your wheel lock, and then you got a 110 volt outlet right here and a 12 volt. And then you see that you do have heated front seats. And then as we come over here, you've got your stereo, which your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And that sounds good, so go ahead and turn it down. There's your Bluetooth right there and your navigation. You see it does have a very quick computer. And then if you want to see the backup camera, there's a backup camera in HD, and then you also have sensors as well. And as you come up above, you've got your sunglasses holder and then your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Ford on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title as it rolled. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and a state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.